It's Tuesday, December 11th. I'm Jeff Fretz, and you're watching Axiory's News. Let's begin with the technical analysis. Up first, the euro dollar. It has increased above daily pivot, and after a small correction, price has rebounded and is now approaching R1 resistance. Break above this level will focus on next target at R2 resistance, and a sustained rise will then target R3. But if it rebounds from first resistance, price will retest daily pivot, and further correction could be limited by S1 support. Based on these conclusions, we expect a bullish trend. Now let's move on to another currency pair with the dollar yen. It is moving along with the daily pivot, suggesting consolidation, but decline below S1 support will confirm target at S2, and a sustained decline below this level will open way towards target at S3. But rebound from daily pivot will rise towards R1 resistance, and a high could be formed around R2. The conclusion made by Axiory shows a bearish trend today. After that, we have the sterling dollar outlook. After it is limited by daily pivot, it seems it will rebound and test R1 resistance. Break above this level will then target at next objective at R2, where further rise could be limited. If it declines below daily pivot, it will rebound after reaching S1 support or lower S2 support. The summary of our indicators show a bullish trend. Our last tech analysis is the dollar franc. It retested daily pivot and is now rebounding towards S1 support. Deeper decline below this level will focus on next objective at S2, where it will rebound. But if the dollar franc bounces after reaching the first support, it will focus on daily pivot, and an upward move will be confirmed after it breaks above R1 resistance. Vast majority of our indicators and chart analysis show a bearish trend. First news for today will be released at 10 a.m. GMT when ZEW is going to publish data about German economic sentiment. Analysts are expecting improvement from minus 15.7 to minus 11.4 points. These readings still indicate pessimism. Moreover, it will have a high impact on the euro. At the same time, the same agency is going to release figures about economic sentiment in Eurozone. Previous reports showed decline by 2.6 points, indicating pessimism, but today is expected to rise by 0.1 points and optimism. Also, it will have a medium impact on the euro. Next at 1:30 p.m. GMT, Bureau of Economic Analysis will report data about trade balance in the U.S. It is expected to worsen in deficit from $41.5 billion to $42.7 billion. Analysts are also awaiting a high impact on the dollar. The last news for today will concern Japan's core machinery orders published by Cabinet Office at 11:50 p.m. GMT. This is expected to rise by 3.1% compared to the previous decline by 4.3%. This news is expected to have a medium impact on the yen. First strategy in Mirror Trader, system SP has increased slightly to 364.8 pips, while second Teo fell by 17 pips, and third Teo for Aussie yen has declined by 30.4 pips. Fourth place, represented by Lazy Rockstar, has remained at 378.1 pips, and fifth strategy, System Firo, increased to 447.6 pips. In MultiTrader's platform, first strategy Arise has increased by 0.16%. Fibonacci and Fractals in the second position has also risen, but by 0.12%. IGS Fund is holding at 8.15%, followed by Taiji with 4.37% and Maple Forex with 5.07%. And on this date in 1972, Apollo 17 becomes the sixth and last Apollo mission to land on the moon. Thanks for watching Axiory's new broadcast. Check us out on Facebook and Twitter. Have a profitable day. We'll see you tomorrow.